Gift vouchers can be a great way to boost sales and encourage clients to spread the word about your business to their friends. To do this, you'll need a free Zapier account and also a free Gift Hub account as well. Once you have an account, just follow these steps to start offering gift cards. By the time you finish this article, you'll be equipped to integrate 10-8 with thousands of other programs. Step 1. In 10-8, set up a service named Gift Voucher by going to Setup, Services, and then click Create One-to-One Service. Open up the service options and make the service privately bookable with a URL. You can also add a public description stating that the customer can choose any slot, which can then be either cancelled or rescheduled depending on your preference as a business. The final thing we're going to do in 10-8 is we're going to navigate to online booking, choose booking process, then we'll choose the newly created service from the list. Choose to use different settings for this particular service, and we're going to add a new question. This question is going to ask the customer to type in their gift voucher code. Okay, now go to Zapier and click on Make a Zap. Pick 10-8 as the app for the trigger and pick Gift Up as the app for the action. Then you can choose the trigger itself, which can either be a new appointment is booked or a time before or after that appointment is booked. Next, we will need to choose the action itself. We're going to choose Create Order, which will create a gift card within Gift Up. We'll need to choose the 10-8 account that you want to use. If you have not connected one yet, then connect a new 10-8 account and click Save and Continue. Then you'll need to choose the actual 10-8 organisation which you'd like to pull the bookings from. We'll click Continue and we're presented with some sample data which we can use to test the Zap throughout. The second step is the action, and we need to choose Gift Up as the app here. Again, we can select Create Order. You'll need to connect and select your Gift Up account, which you would have created previously. The final step is to set up your template, either typing in a value that will be used for every voucher purchase, or selecting a dynamic value from the list which will be automatically updated for every purchase. One tip here is to include the link to your gift voucher service as part of the desired message on the gift card. Once you've filled in at least all of the required fields, you can just test your Zap and you're done. To get the link for your gift voucher service, just navigate to Setup, Services, and then copy the direct link to service. Now, just test your Zap and you're done. An email will be automatically sent from Gift Up to the purchaser, who can then forward the email to the recipient.